The San Juan Mountains lie in the southwestern portion of the state of Colorado, and these peaks are often regarded as some of the most spectacular places in the Rocky Mountain chain.
Morning, 14er Finisher subscribers.
And with that being said, we are excited to have our viewers join us today on this adventure of 14er Finisher. We are going to detail out and rank the top 3 waterfalls that are easily accessible within the San Juan Mountains.
Number 3 on our list.
Box Canyon Falls, Ouray, Colorado. One can Google Box Canyon Falls Park to get up-to-date pricing and visitor center hour information, but be advised that this waterfall is spectacular but does come with some red tape and an entrance fee. We met our friends Troy and Christy Riggs at the Box Canyon Falls Park, and we were feeling adventurous, so we did the Falls Trail, which is a 500-foot walk into the Box Falls Canyon. And then we also did the High Bridge Trail, which takes you up 200 feet and half a mile to a beautiful overlook and exposed bridge that's pretty awesome. The High Bridge Trail connects you with the Ouray Perimeter Trail, and you're able to go through this really cool tunnel up top.
Cars going through the cave. Babe, look out, that's Gollum up ahead from Lord of the Rings.
Number 2 on our list.
Cascade Falls, Ouray, Colorado.
It's time to have a refreshing dip in the Cascade Falls. Stay with us.
Cascade Falls is right on the outskirts of Ouray, and it's an easy walk from almost anywhere in town. Walking on the ledges at Cascade Falls is strictly prohibited and should only be attempted by yahoos such as myself and my buddy Troy.
Saving the best for last. Number 1 on our list, Bridal Veil Falls.
The Bridal Veil Falls Trail is a 4.2 mile round-trip hike, generally considered easy, or if you prefer, you can drive an SUV up the 4x4 road leading to the falls. We want to thank all of our viewers for watching this adventure on 14er Finisher YouTube channel. If you haven't already, please subscribe to follow more adventures, and if you could, in the comments, please tell us what your favorite waterfall is in southwestern Colorado. Until next time, be safe out there and happy trails.